The next diagram has to do with your solar angles. Okay, and for that you are going to have to go back to your project and perhaps show your solar angles. From here, you will want to show your clipping plane. Clipping plane, and I kind of want to be on the right view, but oh well. And bring this up. Should probably put this on a default view, huh? Okay, and then rotate this view so that it is showing a section through your building. Okay, and it would be nice if I could get it right to the window part. So something like that would be ideal, so that it's cutting right through the window. Okay. From this view, I am going to go and try to get a view something like that. Or, if you like, if the interest is on the other side, you might go the other direction, because this one shows a solar window, the west window on this side. If I took the clipping plane and flipped it, 90. If I flip this view, then I would show where the painting is. So either one is okay, as long as you're cutting through the windows right here. Okay, so with that, if I want to take it from this side, I would just say I would go on the left hand side and make 2Ds of this drawing. Okay, so take this, and I will create a make 2D of this guy. So make 2D, select all the objects, and see where that wound up. Okay, yeah, I guess it's there. I move it over, and I'm kind of afraid to move it because it's going to disappear in the clipping plane. So, well, there it is. Okay, if I were to go on the other side, flip, and take the view from the other side, set view from right, I should be able to get the other direction. Make 2D. So I'm just going to make two of them right now, just so that I have two options to go with. Either one is correct. If I take the clipping plane off, I can see all of these guys right here. Don't want to do that. What the hell? Okay, and I also made the elevations and the perspective as well. I could at this time make a plan view as well, so that we don't have to do this later. So make plans. So clipping plane. Seven feet up. Actually, it should be another foot up or something, so that we could see this west window. For that, I'm going to be on my top view. and make sure that the clipping plane is active. There it is. So now I could make 2D of this thing. Make 2D. And I should have my floor plan. Okay. So with that, I'm going to take everything here. If I want to, well, no, let's keep it with just the solar diagram for now. Take these guys and copy it for safety, and then cut, edit, cut, and then move over back into my diagram drawings and paste. There it should be. And I'm going to insert this thing right into this area. So I could take this thing and move it across in. And if you could remember, we have to clean all this up first, but like this one I want to clean up. Maybe this element isn't there. I would really be careful and clean some of these other elements up as well, so that when I do my hatching and stuff, it'll show up very nicely. Okay, so there's what that is. Now, please note that I have these windows here. I forgot to make this window, right? You know what? No big deal, because I could just copy an existing line from here to here, because it's the same line type. Copy this one, this bottom window from here to here, and I already made this what looks to be a cut, right? And so these are the windows. This part is a solid wall. Okay. If I wanted to, I could close this off and not rely so heavily on this solar path thing. Since the diagram does not have to be to a scale factor or to a scale when we're drawing, I could take this thing and fill the page. So scale from here, I could double the size, and that might look good. Maybe I should double the size of this, or maybe 0.5, 1.5 I mean. So if I take this scale 1.5, and that looks like it'll fill the page, right? Maybe I'll take this thing and move it towards the center of the page, center of this area, or to make it fit nice. And trim. That could be my diagram. So if I copy this guy right here, if I move this guy right here, move and trim this guy up, that could look like a area. And instead of coloring all this up, I might be able to color this portion between the light so that it looks like the light is shining through into the area. Okay, so this will be my solar angle diagram. Okay, and I might put my name on it. So copy, or maybe the north arrow as well. Copy from there to there, and I have my name on this thing, and this sheet should be done. When I'm said and done with this, I will plot this thing. Plot. Oh, before that, I would probably try to change these colors to, I would probably try to change those colors into a, whatchamacallit, a black color. I'm just going to put it as one layer right now. Whoops. Paper. Okay. It's not working. I'll just turn it black later. Okay. And then when I do that, then I could plot or print. And since I made this thing the same size, paper size, all I really have to do is find a new window point from there to there. And then make sure that the scale is correct. 1/32, right? And then print. And then we'll call this a site diagram or diagram. And save. And when it's all said and done, it should look something like this without the color on it. Okay, so with this, I should be able to use my markers and highlight whatever lines that I need. Also, I might label these. I might label these light rays as summer, equinox, winter, or something like that. Okay.